Hello Techies, welcome to Love with Coding. Improve your programming skill from zero to hero with Divix. So the next concept is string functions. The another name for function is a method. So a Python offers many built-in function for the string manipulation. So what is the syntax for a string function means? First one is a string object. String object, it is nothing but the variable name. Next one is a dot operator. Next there is a function name. The another name for function is a method. So there is a parenthesis mean it is called as a function. The first function we are going to discuss is capitalize. This function will return the first character of the string is capitalized. Let's see the example. So what is the value stored in a S? It is a Python script. Look at the first letter. So the first letter it is a lowercase letter. So S is a variable name. Next dot operator. Next the function name is a capitalize. Now it will return the result. The first letter of the string it is capitalized. The next function is a find function. The find function requires the three parameter substring, start value and end value. This function try to find the substring in the given range of start and end value. If the substring is found means it will return the lowest index. If the substring is not found means it will return the -1. Let's see the example. So the first one is a yes. So what is the value of S? It is a Python script. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it starts from the 0 and up to the 12. So 0 to 12. So length of the string is a 13. So yes, what is the value of S? It is a Python program. Next one is a dot operator. Next the function name is a find. So it contains a parameter. So there are three parameters. First parameter is a substring. So what is the value of substring? There is a script. So I want to find the script in the variable yes. So in the range of 6 to 20. So it is start from the range. The script start from the range of 7. So from the 7 to 20 range we want to find the word substring. What is a substring? It is a script. So let's see the example. So the substring script is found in the lowest index of 7. So it is not found means it will return the -1 value. Let's see the example. I am going to give s dot. The function name is a find. So you're going to find out the substring only, comma. So I'm going to give the range of 0, comma, there is a 6. So you know very well the substring script is present in the location of 7. So I give up to the 6 only. So but the script start from the location 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is not found within the given range. So it will return automatically -1. Are you clear, dear? Next function is isalnum. Alnum is nothing but alphabets and numerics. So this function will return true. It contains alphabets or numbers or even both. Otherwise it will return false. Let's see the example. So in this example, S1 it contains Mahatma. So everything it is a alphabets. S2, the string 2 it contains the numerics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even the numeric it is given inside the quotes, it will consider as a string. Inside the string value it is a numeric. The next one S3. S3 means it is a string 3. It contains both alphabets and numbers. The S4 it is a special one. It contains all the special character. Now you can see the example for here is alpha num. That means alphabets and number. So first one is a variable name. Here I am going to write the variable name as a S1. Next one is a dot operator. The function name is a is alphabets and numeric. So the S1 it contains either alphabets or numeric. It contains the alphabets alone. So it will return as a true. So consider the second example. S2 dot is alpha num. So the second character it is not containing the alphabets. It containing the numeric. So it is also written the result as a true. So let's see the third example. There is a S3. So S3 dot is alpha num. So it contains the both. Either it contains only the alphabets or only the numeric values, or both, means it will return the true value only. So when it will return the false, it will contain, apart from the alphabets, number and both, it contains some other special character, means, or empty character, means it will return as a false value. Let's see the last one. So S4. So S4 dot operator, function name is alpha numeric. So this function will return false. The fourth function is isalpha. This function will return true only it contain the alphabets, otherwise it will return false. Let's see the example. The string 1 contains, S1 means it is nothing but string 1 contains Velammal. If you see, everything is alphabets. You can consider the string 2, it is a 34 years. So 34 is a numeric, years in the alphabets. So let's see the example for your alpha. So the variable name is S1. There is a dot operator. Next there is a is. The function name is alpha, is alpha. So it will return the true. Why it is returning the true means because the S1 contain everything, it is a alphabets. Next one is a variable name is a S2. Next one is a is alpha. But your second S2, it is not only containing the alphabets, it containing the numbers also. So it will return as a false. The next function is a isdigit. This function will return the true. It contains only the digits, that means numbers, means it will return the true. Otherwise it will return the false. See the example. So the string S1 contains Velammal, S2 contains 34 years, S3 contains there is 100. So first look at the first one. There is a S2 variable name, dot operator, the function name is a isdigit. So the S2 it contains both numeric and which one? Alphabets also. But it will return the false. When the isdigit will return the true, only it contain the numbers. So S3 dot isdigit. So now it will return the true because the S3 contain only the numeric value. Next function is a isspace. This function will return true only white space character present in the string. Keep it in your mind, only the white space character. See the example. So here the S1 it is containing the word hello, the string. So the S2 is containing only there is a white space. The S3 is your empty string, so nothing is inside. So if I am going to give S1 dot, there is a space, the function name is a space, so there is a parenthesis, so it is returning the false because there is no white space. It contain only the white space only, it will return as a true. Now see the third one, there is a S3 dot, there is a is space, so it is containing empty string, so there is a false. Next S2 dot, there is a is space. Now it is containing only the white spaces, so it will return as a true. So the next function is a islower. This function will return true all the character in the strings or lowercase letter, all the character. Otherwise it will return the false. See the example. So in this example, S1 is a computer, S2 is a science. Here C alone it is a capital letter. Here in S2 all the letters are in the lowercase letter. So now I am going to give, there is a S1 dot is lower. So here it is not all the character in lowercase letter. C alone it is in the uppercase. So it will return the result as a false. So next I am going to give S2 is lower. So in S2 all the characters are in lowercase letter. So it will return as a true. The next function is a isupper. This function will return true all the character in the strings are uppercase letter, otherwise false. So there is a condition, at least we need one character in the string. Everything is a numeric also, it will return false. So we need at least one character. So see the example. So in this example, both is considered as a string only because both is enclosed with the quotes. But S1 it is containing C1. C is a character, 1 is a numeric. But in S2 everything is a numeric only. Now you can check it. S1 dot is upper I am going to give. So at least it need only one character. So here we have the one character. The one character also in the form of uppercase. It is in a capital letter. So it will give the result as a true. But you can see the second example, S2 dot isupper. So here all the S2 characters are numeric value. So we cannot check the numeric as it is upper or lower. So it will give the result as a false. So the lower function will convert the uppercase letter into the lowercase letter. The upper function will convert the lowercase letter into the uppercase letter. See the example, you will be very clear with the lower and upper function. Let's see the example. So S is equal to computer science with Python. So I am going to give S dot, there is a lower. So the entire string S, it will converted into the lower. All the letters are in the lowercase letter. Next I am going to give S dot upper. So now all the strings, all the character in your S will be converted into the uppercase letter. Very simple one. Next function is a lstrip and rstrip. Both lstrip and rstrip, it is going to remove some character. Lstrip means from the left side it is going to remove. Rstrip means from the right side it is going to remove. So first we will discuss about the lstrip. So lstrip function without any argument. You can see in this function, inside the function there is no argument. So without any argument means it will remove the leading white spaces from the left side. So it is a rstrip means from the right side it will remove some white spaces. See the example. So in this example, S is equal to computer science. Before computer also there is some white space. After science also there is some white space. See the example. S dot, there is a lstrip. So it will remove the white spaces from the left side. Okay, left side there is no spaces, white spaces, but still there is a right side, there is a white spaces will present. In this next one, S dot rstrip. So rstrip means from the right side it will remove the white spaces. Both the side I want to remove means you want to use the strip. So S dot strip. So it will remove both sides. It is out of your book scope. Okay, or you cleared here. So lstrip means from the left side it will remove the white spaces. Rstrip means from the right side it will remove the white spaces. It is without arguments means. So for lstrip with arguments means what will happen? It will remove all the combination of its possible value from the left side. What is the meaning of this? All the possible combination of value. For example, look at this example, very simple one. S is equal to these. Next one is a variable name is a S dot operator lstrip. You are giving us there is a the. So all possible value of the, there is a either 3 combination of letter or the 2 combination of letter, even there is a 1 combination. It will remove all the character from the which side means left side it will remove. See another one more example for your lstrip. So here S contain the string as a sarigama padanisa. So S is a variable name. It is contained as a sarigama padanisa. Next there is a dot operator. Next there is a lstrip. So you want to concentrate only from the left side only. So what is a given substring? It is a TS. So whenever you are giving the argument in a lstrip or rstrip, you want to look at the all the combination of the possible value. Just look at the example. So first letter is a S. You can see the substring also contain the S. So first we want to remove the S. Next one there is a. So here the substring also it contains the A. So we want to remove the A also. Next there is a R. The substring also it contains the R. So we want to remove the R. Next there is a E. So your substring also contains a E. So you want to remove the E. So next there is a G. But your substring is never contained there is a G. So only the combination of possible values. So first I want to remove the SARE alone. SARE because G is not present in your substring. So this is a way the lstrip will work. Look at the output. So SARE alone it is removed from the string S. So only it is a from the S. I want to remove the TS combination of all the possible value from the left side. Let's see the example for your rstrip. S1 it contain there S1, so the variable name dot R. What is the meaning of or? It is a right side. So from the right side I want to look at. So I want to, from the right side I want to strip it. What is the word I want to strip it? Char, but all the possible combination of the char. So first I want to see E. So E is present in the substring. So I want to remove the E. Next there is a R. So R is present in the substring. So I want to remove the R. Again there is a E. So E is present in the substring. So I want to remove the E. Next there is a H. H is not present in the substring. So I want to stop it. So I want to remove the, from the char substring, all the possible value is a E, R, E alone. So what is the output? Just to guess the output, there is a T and H alone. Okay, are you clear, dear? Learn by taking the quiz. This quiz will give you the signal of how much you know or don't know about Python. This quiz link is provided in the description box.